G'day again guys, and thank you for joining me. So today's video is something a little bit different. Instead of a complete and finished piece, today I'm just working for a little bit of fun and relaxation in my favourite colour pencil sketchbook, which is of course my Strathmore toned grey sketchbook, and using just my Prismacolor pencils to colour. Now, colour pencil can be a very tedious medium, and most of my full pieces take at least a week to complete. So sometimes it's nice to just loosen up a little and create something quickly, and I have found that the smooth texture of the paper in this sketchbook combined with the butteriness of the Prismacolor pencils is just a perfect combination for getting an image down quickly without using thinners or building up multiple layers of colour. In this case, I was just super inspired by a patch of sunflowers that had started to flower in my garden. Seeing these giant flowers mostly standing well above my head and the crystal clear blue sky of the day had me so excited for spring and just really running to get something down on paper. There is something just utterly perfect about the mid-tone grey of this paper. It just makes the colours pop off the page like magic. And the Prismacolor pencils, being somewhat more opaque than other brands, means that the colours aren't dulled down by that darker surface. Even so, for the very brightest areas, I did lay down a touch of white pencil first, which really helped me lift that colour and get the feel of that sunlight hitting the petals. Now you can see I'm keeping things super simple with this sketch as I work around the petals. I look for the lightest area and then the darkest area, and then I use a nice mid-tone yellow to blend it all together and bring that petal together. I'm not trying to be perfect here, or even close to it. I'm just getting a feel for how the petals sit, how the light is hitting the flower, and trying to get my head around the complex patterns in that centre of the flower. There is something really relaxing about working like this. Now, I happen to like the way this piece turned out, so I'm happy to show it to you guys, but that needn't be the case. If I had drawn a lopsided flower or I got the colours all wrong, then I haven't invested a week of my time into it. I can just turn the page and start again without having lost any more than an hour of my time. The best part of creating sketches like this is the opportunity to practice. I knew as soon as I saw these flowers in my garden that I would have to create a full drawing starring them. But to be honest, I haven't had a lot of experience drawing flowers like this, and I actually find the colour yellow to be a little bit tricky to get my head around. There's something about the shadow colours in yellow that my brain just doesn't like to process apparently. But now that I've spent some time really looking and studying and colouring this flower, I feel much more confident going forward on a larger and more detailed piece. I've actually already got something all drawn up and ready to colour, so you can follow me over on my Facebook and Instagram pages if you want to see the work in progress shots to come. I finished off this drawing with a couple of layers of true blue pencil to really make those yellows pop out even more, and I was happy to call this sketch done. So here's the final piece. Oh man, I just can't wait to draw more of these. I hope you've enjoyed this. Please leave a like or a comment to tell me what you think, and if you'd like to see more, why not hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, guys.